Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I've just thought I'd better come back on here and show you what I did. I took the bag out. I took the bag out of the middle of this because it wasn't working properly for me. It was too wiggly, you know, it just was not sitting straight. So instead of the bag, I thought I'd do another envelope, and then I can call this my envelope tucky spotty thing. Okay? Or whatever, a envelopey tucky spotty thing. So let's find another envelope. I thought I should come and help you fix that because that was just not good. It was totally skew whiff and really not nice. Okay, I'm just going to get a drink of water because I've got a little while now to show you here what happened. You know, because, well, you've seen what was happening. It just wasn't working because the paper bag, it wasn't really that sturdy. It was a very thin thing. It wasn't thick like some of them are. And I have these brown colour ones. This would probably sit better. It's not, you know, but I don't want to put that in there because it's too dark. Okay. Now, so on here, I'm thinking I could put, I have a big long envelope, but that's too big, you know, you don't want that up there. Where is these other ones that I had? Got one here, fair in front of me. Now, do I want to do that or do I want to get a bigger one? I might get a bigger one. I have blue. No, not that one. That's not going to work. Envelopes. Come on, Sonya, where have you put the... You did have a really nice blue one here earlier this morning. I don't know what I've done with it. I just don't know what I've done with them. I've got these here. But they've got a, well, everything's mostly going to be covered over anyway, so I suppose it doesn't really matter. But I wanted a bigger one to go on there. Let me see. What have I done with those? Just hang on a second. I won't be long. I definitely want to do another envelope. Oh, I know. I had a whole heap of cards just here this morning earlier. And I thought, well, I'm not going to be using a lot of them. So I could take the envelopes, couldn't I? What have I done with them? I have stuff around me all over the place. Sorry if you can't hear what I'm saying. I'm here mumbling along, aren't I? Oh, there's a pretty one. Oh, I do like the green. Found the green one, that's pretty. Yeah. Oh, goodness me, I've got a big stripy one here. I don't think I want that. I think that green one will do me. You've probably seen people make things a lot different than what I do them. But I've always just seen things and thought I'd have a go. Doesn't matter, you know, whether I'm putting it together properly or not. I just, oh well, it does, but I've just tried. If you look at it and try and make it well, doesn't matter if you can do it your way or whatever, it's okay. Because that's what I always thought. I seen something in a book, I'd just try and make something like it. I would not be copying it because it wouldn't be the same, would it, if it wasn't? I don't know what I did with that other pink one I had and the blue one. I had two nice big envelopes here this morning, but they just vanished, you know. I won't be surprised though, the amount of things that's in my room here. I'm still here, please don't go away yet, hang on. You never know what we might make. It's just a tiny kid just turn it off. Oh dear. Okay, so that's where they are. So, well, I found that. That's good. Oh, what have I got here? There's one I've destroyed earlier. Righto, these might do. These might do. We've got enough here now. This is thank you. And it's got spots. And it's the same size as that. All good. Because that's what I'm after, the length more than anything else. Doesn't matter what it's got on it because it won't be, it'll be covered over. So that's going to go, where's the top of the page? Now it doesn't matter because we don't have the bag anymore. Okay, so but this is going to be the edge of the front. Okay, that can be the edge of the front. And this piece can go like that, you think. No, you can't cover that over. like that. Yes, that's better. I've got it. Where's my pocket? There's my pocket. So if I put that on there like that, and then I can have this one here, like so, and see it'll be not the same size, a little bit wider, but that doesn't matter because you'll have, you keep the whole thing. Keep the whole thing. Right, now, what am I going to do? Well, I've got to think about what I'm going to do with this part here. That envelope is not the same size either as this. Look at that, it's going to be coming over the sides a bit. And I don't want to cut that one off because then I'll have a hole in the bottom here and think, you know, I won't have a pocket. Look at that much out, that tiny bit out there, all it is. Okay, so I need another one of these. You'd have thought I'd have had more than one in the same place, wouldn't you? Really? How about the green one? No, it's not the same length. I'm doing a lot of faffing around here, aren't I? How about the white one? And then I just use it for tags or something. Wait a minute. Tuck spots or something. I can put it there, and I can use, actually I'm going to put it like that, and then I'm going to put, I've seen that green one sitting there and I'm thinking, oh yes, I could have that too, couldn't I? Where's that pink piece that has to be stuck down because it's got all that glue on it, but it doesn't have to go over that far no more, does it? Okay, what are we going to do, cut that off? Yeah, I think so, because it makes it too thick. Makes it too thick. Am I supposed to be doing this, people? Yes, I can cut it off. I can cut it off. Where's the corner? There's a bend in it, a fold, I should say. It seems I've got a hinge. I need a hinge. So that one there is going to be cut across here. I don't want it all bubbling up though. What am I doing here wrong? Just don't make it wrong, Sonya, okay? I'll cut this first. Oh dear. Well, I hope everybody's having a good day. Mine's been okay. I have a few issues with a few things I'm doing, but it's okay. That's an interesting piece for something else, isn't it? That we could probably use. Don't you reckon? You never know what you might want to do with it. Do I have anything to make a little... you know, here is what I want. Because when I cover it with paper, I know it'll go away then, but I still need to make it. Do I? I've got to cover it with paper. Well, how am I going to get it at it if I do this? How am I going to get at it? Alright, we've got to think of them things as we're going along. Got to think of them things, Sonya. You can't just go along there willy-nilly and expect to be able to do that when it's all glued together. Let me see. I'm going to put that onto there. This is starting to get tedious, isn't it? Sorry. Please, let's give us the benefit of the doubt. So that's the top. So that can be the top, righto? And if I put that there and that there, I hope I'm in the shot here. If I put that there and that there, I've got to make sure that I can still bend these over. So we're going to have a tiny, tiny bit. You know, because I did it so it'd go under, I should have thought about that. So I have the space to leave a little bit, you know, because I don't want to, and that's not very good. I've got the glue thing out here, the knife out here as far as it'll go. If I can get this tiny bit of glue off the edge of that, then I won't have to worry about seeing it. Should have put that on some heat, that might have melted it a bit. I don't know. You don't need to take it back too far, just get the paper off there. Yeah, I had to take the bag off, sorry about that. Okay. So this will only be, maybe this will be in about 9 parts. I hope not, for your sake, I mean, I hope not. Okay, so if I'm going to put that there and that there like that, I'm going to need to put, I will be able to get in the top of here, won't I? To make the you know, the cutout bit. I will be able to do that. Okay, rightio. So now let's do that then. Now we don't want to go right to the edge, okay, but we do want to go close to it because we don't want to have it all goofy looking. Yeah, we need it nice. Okay, and I suppose I'm putting this on the wrong side now because it was on the other side before. But what we're going to do, we're just going to do the best we can and build this envelope flip. Okay, and we're going to make sure that we've got this nice little edge still in there so that it turns over lovely like that. Okay, so I'm hoping whoever, if any of you people want to make this, you didn't start with the other one. You'll be crying now at me because I would make a mistake. I'll stop saying that. I'm sure you wouldn't be crying. There's glue off here. Come on. I want to take the glue off, but not the butterfly. Okay, now I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to put this down on here. Now I'm going to take it in a bit. Don't put it right to the edge because you don't want to. You need to be able to turn that up. Okay, just move this tiny bit over. Move this tiny bit over again. Right, a bit more. And that's straight. Well, see, that won't go that way. It'll have to go back this way. Okay, so we're not going to be too upset about that either, are we? Because that'll work. You just have to press it down to get it to work. Okay. So I've accidentally made one of these things going around this way. Here, look. That's cool. I'm liking that. Rightio. Okay, so it does different things. How's that? So far, so far not bad. Okay, so far not bad. I'm having a bit of glue trouble. It should wipe my table again. Okay, now, next, rightio, clean that off. I said I was going to get me lunch ages ago, didn't I? But I forgot. I wanted to come back and show you what I'd done to that because I couldn't even move the table without pulling that paper bag off there because it just was not working for me. I'm going to try to wipe this without making that terrible noise. How's that? There we go. Rightio. Now I've got all these bits. So far, so good. We've got these pieces now that we can work with, hopefully, to build something out of that goes like that. But we need some more. I don't think that's enough, do you? I think we need at least one more, but one more thing. One more envelope, one more packet, one more something. How about if we, maybe that goes that way. How about if we put this on the front, in the middle, you know, just for, oh, I don't know, you need to put that in the middle. Yeah, right. Could go out that way, couldn't it? Oh, that'll be alright, wouldn't it? How's that? That way, that way, that way, and that way. Got it? Does that look okay? This is not a level when it's folded up, but I don't think that matters, does it? Because I love the green colours too. So this can be on here like that, and I will actually put something up here because, and then I'll cut a hole down that way because it's too hard, I think, to slip things in like this. If you've got that right close, it's too hard to get things to go into the side, to the pockets. Maybe I should put it down the bottom. Maybe that'll look better, will it? Doesn't really matter which way you fold it up either, does it? It all works. It'll just come together eventually, I guess. Okay, I'll put that one there. Now we can we have a secret thing anywhere. We're going to do that when we come back next time. We're going to make secrets, you know, secret tuck things, okay, because they can go. You've got two sides there. You've got all this. You're going to make pockets and stuff on, okay. This could be some sort of a, well, I don't know what you would make of it, really, what you could call it. Actually, that doesn't fold back in there very good because that's too, this is too long to fold it over properly. So I can cut that off because I wanted to. That's going to be a, oh, now that'll fall down that stand. Wait a minute, I've got to pick it up. Sorry, but I do have to. Because otherwise I'll roll my chair over the top of it if I forget it's down there. No. Now we're going to cut this off here a bit. It doesn't matter if we take a bit more than what we thought we needed, because that way it'll go together a bit better. Rightio. Now, I probably will use a bit of fabric on this too. You know, I'm thinking I really like it. This is how it's going now. I think I should have the bottom all lined up like that, you know, because if you've got it, and you can put stuff in, you can write in it too, I suppose, make some journaling things. So these envelopes they go a bit wonky after you cut the tops off them, but hang on a minute, we can't do that because I've got this open. Yes, we can put that in there, like that. Look, see? That'll work, won't it? Do you like that? I do. Now, I'm not going to cover that just yet because I can cover it right across this piece if I want to with something that will go all right for, you know, with what I'm doing. So, something that's only thin though. I think a nice thin piece of paper. You know, you can use a bit of music paper or something. You can do this up really nice, you know. I always wanted a really an interesting background, or like, when I say interesting, like a pretty background that I could work with. Right down to the edge there, Sonya. You want to put it so it'll go over, and you need to make that so you'll still get stuff in there, right? See? You still put stuff in there. Okay. And then that opens out like that. And you've got a pocket here. So you're gonna actually seal this eventually, but I'll just put a bit of glue in there so I'm the wrong one, so I know what I'm up to, you know. You just say, well, I've glued that bit. Actually, you can't put anything back further than that. It'll have to be a small something that's long. Now that you've glued that down. Got to think ahead. We have to learn to think ahead. So that's one side of our folding up thingy. It's our envelope flip out, whatever, okay? It's a envelope flip out thingy made with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes, and you could just keep going on forever, couldn't you? You know, there's no rules. You can still keep putting more on. You know what? I probably will, because but I need to decorate it a bit now, don't we? We need to put some secret pockets in it and things like that. But we could make this really good, and could turn it into something, you know, really spectacular. Well, we'll have a go. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day. Please leave me a comment and say hi, and hi to everybody out there. And I can't remember all you ladies' names, so I'm going to go and write a few more down next time when I do another video, and we'll come in and tell you. Say good day to you, and thank you very much to everybody that, even if I don't mention you, you know that I really appreciate everything that you're doing with your comments and all that sort of thing, you know. This is really cool. That's a very small pocket, isn't it? You know, it can be used for something. I can always put something on the bottom of it. So if I put it there like that, and I got the piece of paper, I've got to go because I'm fiddling about, and I got a piece of paper and I set it down there, like that. It has to be wider, of course. I can use this still as a pocket, see? I can still use that because it's going to, all I have to do is glue around there. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.